Today, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful built-in tools in Windows that can help you fix corrupted system files, strange errors, and even improve performance. Type Windows plus R, then type CMD. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open command prompt as administrator. In the black command prompt window, type SFC scannow. Make sure there's a space between SFC and scannow. Now, Windows will start scanning your system files. This process can take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes depending on your system speed. SFC stands for System File Checker. When you run it, Windows scans your system files and automatically replaces any that are missing or corrupted with fresh copies from the Windows cache. It's completely safe and comes pre-installed on all Windows versions. When to use SFC scannow? If your PC is crashing often, if apps are not opening or behaving strangely, if Windows updates fail, after a malware infection. Once the scan finishes, you'll get one of these messages. No integrity violations found. Your system is fine. Found and repaired corrupted files. Problem solved. Found corrupted files, but could not fix some of them. In this case, you may need to run the scan again or use DISM tool first. If SFC can't repair some files, run this command first in command prompt admin. And that's how you fix Windows problems using SFC scannow. It's quick, safe, and built right into Windows, so no extra downloads needed. If this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.